Hello everyone, this is Rahmat from Afterward Chilling. So today I'm gonna explain to you how to add factor in QGIS. For your information, if you are a beginner in GIS, factor is a representation of geographic features in a form of line, point, or even polygon. It also contains attributes of the object in the form of a table. So it also factor also not only representing the location of the object but also what is the object itself. For example, it may represent roads, rivers, trees, buildings like houses or special building, and so on and so on. And not for long, guys, let's jump into QGIS. So this is the main interface of the QGIS that you will see first, and we choose the empty projects and we add via the data manager in the left top left corner, and we choose raster here. Choose the directory, we have the image, and insert the image into QGIS. You can see the image already set up on the layer. Now we can add a vector into the QGIS. We choose new shapefile and we choose the options here. We have a point, line, and polygons, and we want to use point first to add a tree on the map. Here we set up name tree and click OK, and now we have it on the layer, and click the layer and then click the pencil icon on the top tool. Now you can put the dot on the map to represent the trees on the map. You can repeat this process as much as you want, to cover the trees or whatever you want to put object into. There's a point there, maybe bench or something like that, trees. And then don't forget to click save, and then the shapefile is ready there. You can also add another shapefile with another form. In this example we choose line to digitize the road. Now we have it on the layer. We click the layer again, we click this pencil icon, then we add the line there. Choose the first point and the next point and then the last point. After the last point, you need to right click on the mouse to finish it and put the ID of the road there. Now you have it now. Don't forget to save, and then we right click on the layer again and choose properties. Now we can change the visualization of the road. I want to set it like black here, and I also set the width of the road to make it clearer to be seen. Now we have it on the map. You can see the black road across the map, and we want to add another shapefile here. We want to add buildings, and here we have houses around the map, so we choose polygon again. No, this is the first time we choose polygon, so we name it house, and then we'll start digitizing houses in the map. Click the layer and click the pencil icon again, and then start drawing the houses. You can see that after you draw the first house, after the third or fourth point, you can finish it like and click the right click on the mouse and then add the ID again
You can repeat this as much as you want again, and to cover up all the houses in the map, or even because we are focusing on the house and we already named it house, and we just cover what we think it's house on the map. You can see that I zoom in to have a better view of the shape of the houses in the map. This may take a long time to digitize all the houses. This is just for example, and don't forget to click save. And now we can also digitize the area of interest. Now I want to digitize the AOI. I choose again polygon and I name it AOI here, and then start drawing the AOI. You can create it as big as you want, as much point that cover all of the AOI you need in your research or in your map here. I think I did it wrong here. Just Ctrl Z to undo, and then we can redraw the AOI. Don't forget to click the layer first before click the pencil, the edit icon, pencil icon on the top, and then you can start drawing the AOI here. And this is the view of the current AOI. And now I think the visualization is not that good, so I will change the properties like we changed it on the road. We change the AOI and we put the transparency. Also I want to put it to be in a pinkish color, and don't forget the transparency to make it have a better view. Now we can see that we have a pretty clear AOI, and differentiate between all objects in the map here, and we can save the project now. Alright guys, that's all for digitizing some shapes in the map.
That's all for today guys, and don't forget to give like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video. Take care.